ARB price prediction, Arbitrum. This is a very interesting video because we just shorted ARB. We're going for a little bit above VWAP. The last video I did, I said we're gonna liquidate this longs right here and we're gonna enter. We did, took some profit around VWAP, but my main profit was right here, so I had to held through the Asia session lows and just took profit in the morning. Right now we're in a short because I can see divergence on the RSI. I can see longs closing, a big amount of longs closing, and I saw $9.9 million worth of longs closing, and I saw a lot of people got wigged out. The shorted here with a tight stop loss got wigged out here, and now we can actually have the proper move. And it's not just ARP, a lot of other coins, BCH, Pump, Penguin, the other coins that I'm in, they also had a wick just like that to take out the week highs, and this is my favorite formula to take shorts in. If you want to follow my trades, 262 grand profit on mint coins on BOS, 28 grand on Dex Checker on a new wallet that I'm building. Have a course, have a Signals chat. Everything is very, very cheap. I priced it at a reasonable price, so anyone that wants can enter. See you next video. That is no financial.